Hey everybody, it's Mo at Mojo's Reptiles. How y'all doing? It's February 13th, and I promised to have some updated videos of animals that I'll have for sale at the Hamburg, Pennsylvania show on Saturday, February 23rd, and so here we go. It's a coastal female, 2012. She was bred. Um, she's a product of a pairing that Howard and I did together last year of my coastal female Carmen and his Vermelia line red jag. And this little lady here is going to look like her mom, pattern wise, color wise, and everything. So she is $100. So if you're interested in her, give me a ring. Next up we have a jag male, normal jag male. It's really nice. Same clutch as the previous female. He started off a little slow, but he's coming into his own now. He's feeding on rat fuzzies. Initially he was on quail, then he was on mice, and now he's on rat fuzzies. So he's good to go, and he's available for $200. Also a 2012 animal. Good temperament, all that fun stuff. Next we have a red jag male, same clutch. He looks like he's in the blue or going into the blue. He's definitely going into a shed cycle, but he's another really nice animal and good temperament as well. And he is available for $250. Sorry about that. There he is again. And here is this one I'm kind of going back and forth on. She was my holdback female from that clutch. She's a red jag, and she's really nice, as you can see. So, I have her listed at $350. She sells. She doesn't, I won't be mad. So, let me know. She's another one who's on rat fuzzies, calm demeanor, great all-around snake. $350. See what else. This one's not for sale, but just to give you guys another look at him. He'll be going to Buddy at the show. Looking good, Buddy. My jungle jag male. Hey, where are you going? Gotta run away here. Get in there. No. Sorry. So there's that. Let's see. Pardon the video here at this point because I'm trying to move to the next rack because I think I got all the ones that are out of that one. Let's see. Don't mind my mess up in here. I'm way behind on cleaning. Alright, let's get the jungles. So, this jungle here is from my Python Pete and Andrew hair clutch. Hey, where you going? She was on quails, and this past feeding, I was able to get her to take a mouse. So I'm happy about that. I know quails are a pain in the butt, so hopefully I'm going to try and feed her in a little bit, and hopefully she'll take another one. But I have her up for $300. She's going to be a really nice animal. I actually thought about holding her back, but decided to put her up for sale and then just keep one female from this clutch. So she has a good demeanor too. The code on her is 2012CK2. Here's another female, not for sale, but this one will be going home with Kyle. He's already put his deposit down on her, so she'll be nice. She's dark right now in a shed cycle, and so it'll be interesting to see what she looks like when she finally comes out of it. She should be nice though. She was another one that I thought about holding back, so there she is. And this one here is not for sale either. She'll be going to Dave Perlick once the weather gets better, and she's another really nice animal. I'm quite happy with the clutch. Alright, I'll clean you in a sec, but there she is. Nice banded pattern there. Here's a male jungle from Morelia Trophy Club. He doesn't look like much right now, but I think that will change as he develops. He's kind of hiding. He can be a little feisty at times. There he is. I have him at 300 as well. Oh, he's still got some shed stuck under his neck, so I'll have to get that, but he'll be very nice, I'm sure. Him. And I have another male. He's also at 300. He's in the shed cycle too, so hopefully these animals all shed before the show. It always happens like that. I don't know if you can see this, if the light's too bright or what. I always struggle with lighting in this room, but there you go. There he is. This one's on Fuzzy Mice. Shouldn't be a problem to get him over to rats though. So he has a male, another male, AK4 I believe, AK4, and $300 on him as well. And then last but not least is a Morelia Trophy Club female, and she's going to be really nice. She's on Mouse Fuzzies right now, but I'm pretty sure she'll convert over to rats soon. And she is $400. She's the only female I have left from this clutch. So that's where it's at. Nice contrast on her. So those are what I have left, guys. I really don't have a whole lot. Most of my other stuff is the other clutches the babies that I had left from the Riddler Diamond Jungle Jags, which I'll do a separate video here in a second. So thanks for looking. If you're interested in any of the animals in this video, just give us a holler, mojoreptiles@gmail.com. Check us out on Facebook. Check out our videos on YouTube. Just Google Mojo's Reptiles and you'll find us. Till then, till next time, take care.